ya ba feteng fa la jima ba feteng jipa wa manyeki no ba feteng di fana tsa gane ke tora toro khopela ntshwarelo for misbehavior ka lo tselo re dira hetse Nigeria ntshwareleng ene mo ke ra di fana tsa ka fela la bona ka lelemela di ripi angere ne hololo ke ala la ba feteng match marato modimo teng wa phela a re rapeleng thank you ba ba lempeleng mo dithapelong ba feteng la mpona ka phela ne bo new everything ke re le miriri ne hololo ke ala la 69 e re ntho a share ba tlise phumbu fela jipa wa tlo batse ifana tsa ka re rata ba bo ifana tsa ka banking phone lo la ke rata masipa ba feteng hololo ke ala.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Jima Shiko finally apologized and he's saying he just wants to apologize to his fans for misbehaving. Sana, that's what he said. Apologize to his fans for misbehave Sana and ubukeka ngcono than before ngalesi khana khala seNigeria. Afuna kubuya ubukeka clean uhaircut mumuntu ohlobile like uthswe ukuthi akusuye kesana uthswe lo nibekakhala ngase kudzala kusuye lo clean ukezile uyambona nje ukuthi seyingcono impilo so situation nje ku level lengqono kakhulu manje. And people are saying ukuthi you don't have to apologize to us. People are just saying when I need to apologize to Upori. That's what people are saying. And their video ya Jima Shiko it's holding to my likes, my repost, shares, comments, ngazo sibamlenzile ukuthi a post that uyaxolisa but bantu they are saying ukuthi uxolise ebantwini laba wrong because thina usendaka lutho when you need to apologize to uDJ Maphorisa because bokhuluma ngaye nje lapha kulama video ukhuluma tigaqa takhe thina usendaka lutho thina nje sibantu labatilalela tindzaba labatitsandzela tindzaba wena mule kumele uyoxolisa kuye at DJ Maphorisa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.